Yo, what's up, people? Matty D here from the Black, helping you to create emotional, financial, and physical well-being. Here with a video on credit. Now, usually my channel, as you guys know, has been about parent stuff. I'm taking it and I'm expanding upon the topics like I told you in the last video. We're talking about not just family things, but the financial aspect. And part of the financial aspect is credit. Now, for those of you younger, those of you older, we're going to go back to the basics and talk about why your credit is important. You know, what is it? And how you can use it to your benefit. You can. Too many people, what they do, I've done in the past, is they allow their credit to just bother them. They don't check it. They live with bad credit, but they don't realize the adverse effect it can have on your life. Here's why credit is important. Let me tell you this why. Your credit, unfortunately, it's a freaking cat. Your credit, unfortunately, to this day, can be used to determine what kind of car insurance rates your car insurance rates, they factor that in there. So you can have a good driving record, but your credit is crap, your rates will be higher. Because apparently if you have lower credit, according to them, you're going to be more likely to like get an accident, something stupid. And also it happens with your health insurance. Your premiums for health insurance will be higher because your credit score is bad and you're healthy. Now, as far as stupid cat's in the way. Sorry, Bubba. Now, as far as what your credit is, I should start with that. Your credit, all it is, at the end of the day, it's a report of basically how well you paid your bills, your creditors, like with credit card payments, loans you have out, mortgage, student loans, all that. It's really a way to say, hey, I can manage my debt well. Well, what they've done is change it now to where if you have anything collections that goes on there, I can't think of anything else, but there's more to it than just debt. And the thing that's ridiculous about it is that they're like, well, since you've had bad credit, we're going to charge you more on your car insurance rates. And it's like, stupid. The other thing that people don't seem to be aware of, you don't hear about it very often, it's rare, is that in some jobs, some industries, particularly mostly with the financial industry, they will do a credit check on you. And if you have bad credit, they won't hire you because their reasoning is that if you have bad credit, you're more likely to like try and swindle people and steal because your credit's bad, and that's not really true. I don't agree with that. I guess it can apply in some high level, financial positions, but again, this is a tool that was used not for your benefit, by the way, to measure how well you pay your bills and stuff. So that's really where credit score is, to measure that. And so credit score, I think it's been changed. It goes up to, I think almost 100 now. You can have, and here's the thing too, not all credit scores are equal. I'll do that in another video. You can have a 650 FICO with one person and a 650 FICO with another person. If someone with, let's say person A has a 650 FICO where they have pretty good payment history, boom, 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 boom. That's good. The other person who has a 650 FICO may have collections on there from years behind, missed payments and stuff. So when they both apply to the same, lender, the lender's gonna look at both and go, well, your history is better, okay, than this person, so they'll get approved. Or if the other person does not get approved, they may have higher rates. So there's a lot of factors into this. I'm sticking with the basics right now. I'll do another video on, what goes into your credit. And this is what's come down. Your score has an effect not just on getting financing and loans, and obviously what everyone knows, to get approved for a house, but it affects what your car insurance rates you'll pay, health insurance, in some cases a job, which is kind of ridiculous, but it happens. So people, and also I also forgot to mention, it'll also affect you in being able to rent an apartment, which most people know. And unfortunately, some people don't look at this stuff and they need to see it. You need to know what's on your credit report with erroneous information, which you can dispute. By the way, you can dispute anything in your credit report. You can do that based on the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Anything on there, you can dispute. It doesn't matter what it is. You can do that. You have that right. So, all that being said and done, how can you use this to your advantage? If you don't have credit, you can get credit established. You can do it by going to the bank and getting a secured credit card, or you can get an age trade line put on, which can be done. I can help you with that. Or if your credit is, taking a hit, you can still get it restored, repaired, fixed, whatever you want to use term, you can do that. So how does one do that? And how you use advantage? Well, if your score is improved, guess what? You can get approved for loans. Your rates on the things that I mentioned will be much lower than the person who gets declined. Or if they do get approved, I'm telling you right now, your rates can be much higher, and you've been making someone else very rich on some dumb stuff that you don't need to do. It doesn't need to apply to you. You know. And also with good credit, it also opens doors to not just jobs, but other financial opportunities if you're looking to make money, which I do a video on another time. But this is how you use your advantage, because so many people live with this and don't do anything about it. So if you're ready to change, for those of you who are 18, you want to establish a good credit, or those who need to get a credit fixed, I can help you out. Hit me up, text me. For watching this on Google, whatever, you're brand new, hit me up, text me, shoot me an email, and let's talk on the phone, go over how it works, and how it works in more detail, and also the cost of it all as far as that goes. But it works. It's legal, people. You need to have this stuff done, because I'm telling you right now, when you live that credit and things come up, you want to go somewhere or apply financing, opportunities come up where you can invest in a business opportunity and they have financing, but then they do a credit report or credit check, you get bad credit, you can get declined for it. And it can be embarrassing for people to be like, well, my credit sucks, and if you marry someone with good credit, that has an effect on them too. So it's something you want to get done, have it fixed, have it get restored. This way it gives you peace of mind. You'll feel better about yourself, more importantly, in your life. So reach out to me, text me, shoot me an email, let's talk. Love y'all. Get in black. Please comment on this video below. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more stuff on this and other areas of your life, where I help you to create the financial, emotional, and physical well-being that you deserve, the life that you want. Hit me up. Get in black. Peace.